Hey everyone, I want to introduce you today to the Seneca Woodworking Parallel Guide System. The Parallel Guide System is a precision woodworking tool that bolts onto your guide rail, allows you to make repeated rip cuts with your track saw without having to measure each time. Simply bolt the system onto your guide rail, set the cut width on both stops, position the rail, make your cut, and then you can reposition the rail and make additional cuts without having to measure each time. Our standard stops allow you to make cuts that are wider than the width of the guide rail, while our narrow stops install underneath. They move all the way to the blade and allow you to make cuts that are narrower than the width of the guide rail, whether it's 2 inches, 1 inch, or even smaller. We use Incra T-Track Plus as a major component of the system because of its flexibility and wide availability. The included 24-inch T-Tracks allow cuts of up to 31 inches, but the system can be expanded further by adding up to 48-inch lengths of T-Track Plus, allowing cuts of up to 55 inches. Click the link below to learn more about this or any of our other precision woodworking tools.